DZRL Batak, DZKI Iriga, DYKB Bacolod, DYKC Cebu, DXKS Surigao, DXKO Cagayan de Oro, DXXX Zamboanga, DXKD Dipolo, DXKT Davao, DXDX General Santos, RPN Radio Philippines Network.
Ang pinakaenot sa ringkunada. Puon kay do sa gudgunyan. Minaanduyog sa baga na mamanuaan. Katuwang para sa kauswagan. Sa mga bareta, patas. Sa impormasyon, public service, enot ka. Malalaoman, katotohanan ang sinasarigan. Inina ang bagong Radyo Ronda. DZKI Iriga Radyo Ronda. Ang maugmang kairiba. Madya na.
RPN Radio Philippines Network, Radyo Ronda, DZKI Iriga, member kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Ang oras na ini, dara po sa Indukan Losenya Electrical Supply para po sa madikalidad na electrical product. Day po kalingawan, Losenya Electrical Supply. Losenya Electrical Supply, madaling makukuha, aranisa na sa Barangay Holcan, San Francisco, Iriga City. Owned and managed by Engineer Meneleo Losenya.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng M. Luelier, Pera Padala.
Maging handa, may El Nino man o wala. Magtanom ng short gestation o short cycle crops arog kan munggo, mani asin soybean. Ibuon ang crop rotation method para makalikay sa mga peste. Magtipon ng tubig uran. Maglaag ng mulch sa palibot kan tanom gamit ang ata o bunot ng nyog. Ipa-ensure ang tanom sa PCIC para makalikay sa pagkalugi. Maapektuhan man kan sobrang init ang sa indong mga pananom.
Sarong serbisyo publiko kan Department of Agriculture sa Bicol.
Ang manehamiento kan RPN DZKI nagpapasalamat sa mga minasunod na major sponsors kan gigibuo na Peña Francia Coverage 2023, VC2R, D5 Enterprises, Hardware and Construction Supply, owned and managed by Mr. and Mrs. Victor and Gloria de Lima and family, San Juan, Baao, Camarines Sur. Asinsiring pinapasalamatan man niya mo ang mga minor sponsors, Police Colonel and Mrs. Onesto and Veronica Gotera and family, 114-A, Mahogany 2nd Street, Coa Jobson Street, Pinagbuhatan, Pasig City, Mrs. Luz G. Bolina and family, San Juan, Bato, Camarines Sur, Mrs. Cristina Portugal and family, San Juan, Bato, Camarines Sur, Barangay Council of Guyudan, care of Punong Barangay, Elena E. Luares, Guyudan, Bato, Camarines Sur, Mrs. Sara Huab sa Avedra, and Miss Rebecca Casida, Naga City, Mr. Celestino Cesar and company, Guyudan, Bato, Camarines Sur, and El Casino Tailoring, home of quality dress, uniforms, and coats, care of Mr. and Mrs. Jerry and Gina Basquinias and family, Palatan, Camarines Sur. Diyos mabalos sa Saindo po Gabos. Ang mga minasunod na sponsor nagpapaabot man nin pasasalamat sa selebrasyon kan kafiestahan nina patron kan Kabikolan. Uya ang samuyang mga sponsors: Mrs. Dorotea Ibarreta Amance, Chief Political Affairs, House of Representative, Quezon City. Mama's Cafeteria, owned and managed by Mr. Warren and Don Nueva, Highway 1, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Nelita Marmol Gregorio and family, Carcidona Street, San Isidro, Iriga City. Honorable Gigi Vargas, City Councilor, Iriga City. Honorable Jose Bagayawa, Punong Barangay, Francia, Iriga City. Oralio's Funeral Homes, care of Jose Manrique, Oralio and Family, Proprietor, San Isidro, Iriga City. Maria Leonora Casiao, Peria Bras, Springfield, San Miguel, Iriga City. Salcedo Gravel and Sand, care of Cesar Atas, Salcedo, San Vicente Sur, Iriga City. Fish Vendors and Buracan Sariles, Jane Vera and Family, Proprietor, Manager, San Francisco, Iriga City. Grace Ibariento Sanao, Corporate Executive Officer 2, SSS Iriga City Branch, Iriga City. Engineer Hilario Gorgonya, Acting Head, Rinconada Integrated Irrigated System, NIA, Santa Elena, Iriga City. Honorable Ben Blanquera, Municipal Councilor Baao, Camarines Sur. Honorable Cherry Sapugay, Municipal Councilor Baao, Camarines Sur. Barangay Kagawad, Maricris Nene Ablan, San Jose, Baao, Camarines Sur. Jerry Navarez, Chief Land Transportation Office, Ligao City, Albay. Knocking Pool Water Refilling Station in front of San Isidro Elementary School, Iriga City. Owned and managed by C. Nivalio Custom Broker, Unit 206-C, Regina Building, 410, Escolta, Manila. Miss Betsy O. Odavar, Santa Elena Baras, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Mayor Jeffrey S. Besenio, Baao, Camarines Sur. Uyaman ang mga minor sponsors. Kanamo Local Food and Beverage House, San Isidro, Iriga City. Engineer Jonel Feliciano Jr. and Family, Springfield Subdivision, San Roque, Iriga City. Engineer Ariel O. Soriano, San Miguel, Iriga City. A.T. Reyes Salon, San Roque, Iriga City. Father Dan Aguilar, Paris First, Our Lady of Fatima, San Isidro, Iriga City. Dr. Lisette Tulete Chuan and Mrs. Perlita Tulete Chuan, Topasugod, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Lucky Best Enterprises, owned and managed by Jenny O.K., Iriga City. Honorable Nestor Andaliz and Family, Barangay Kagawad, San Agustin, Iriga City. Architect Lito Florese and Family, San Antonio Ogbon, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Botor Store, owned and managed by Mr. and Mrs. Henry Botor, San Francisco, Iriga City. Iriga Metal Forming Incorporated, Highway 1, San Jose, Iriga City. Honorable Eton Paro Balyeber, Councilor, Bula, Camarines Sur, and Dingdong, Antioquia, Balyeber, Barangay Salvacion, Bula, Camarines Sur. Honorable Ray P. Lacoste and Family, Municipal Mayor, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Barangay Kagawad, Efren A. Martinez and Family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Christine O. Martinez and Family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Past Faithful Navigator, care of George Lapat, Metrocore Subdivision, Las Piñas City. Past District Deputy Eli Pasis, number 28, Mercury Atlas, Monwalk, Las Piñas City.
Problema ang sasakyan mo? Kulog tayo na, kulog bulsa pa! Pero don't worry amigo, sa Maximus Auto Care Center, ang auto mo ayos tulos. Ang Maximus Auto Care Center may computerized car diagnostics and scanning, mechanical services, body repair, electrical, battery charging, car aircon specialist. Asin nagaako man sinda nin preventive maintenance services para sa gabos na klase nin bihikulo, kabali and fire truck. I-contact lang ang Maximus Auto Care Center sa Nabua, Balatan Road, Zone 1, Sitio Abaca, San Antonio, Ogbon, Nabua, Camarines Sur sa 054-884-6509, 0915-096-1993 o sa 0960-563-9766. Email address maximusautocc@gmail.com. FB page Maximus Auto Care Center. Hanapon lang si Mr. Joseph Sim, Chief Mechanic, Maximus Auto Care Center. Maximus Auto Care Center, open from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Maximus Auto Care Center is PhilJeps registered.
Masakit ba ang iyong ulo at katawan dahil sa sobrang trabaho at iba't ibang stress sa buhay? Sandali, mag-break ka muna. Hindi lang simpleng break, mag-Herbalaya break ka muna. Hinga ng malalim at imasahe ang ulo at katawan gamit ang Herbalaya Liniment Oil. Sa sakit ng ulo at katawan, dito na tayo sa subok na, dekalidad at siguradong ligtas. Herbalaya, amoy na kaaya-aya, sa bawat pahid ay ginhawa. Mabibili sa mga botika at grocery stores sa inyong lugar. Also available in roll-on and cream.
Maugmang bareta sa mga problema sa saindong mga lulunadan. Yaw na sa Iriga ang John Motor Shop. Jones Motor Shop. Opo, Jones Motor Shop. Igwasindahan din mga ekspertong mekaniko na maserbisyo para sa gabos na klaseng automatic transmission, automatic cars, truck general overhauling, heavy equipments, payloader, general overhauling, gabos na klase nin computer box. Nagaako man sinda nin preemptive maintenance sa manlain-lain na brand nin lulunadan, Arugan, Isuzu, Hyundai, Fuso, Toyota, Kia, asin Suzuki. Gabos yan, kayang-kaya kan Jones Motor Shop. Huli ta igwasinda nin batikanong mekaniko na subok na sa trabaho. Kontakon sana si Mr. Jose M. Santor ang may sadiri sa CP number 0929-1991-829 o kaya sa 0929-3784-134 or 0927-5568-961. Ang John Motor Shop. John Motor Shop, Iguanin Branch digdi sa Rinconada sa Barangay San Isidro, Iriga City. Asin ang sa indang main shop, iyaon sa Pili, Camarines Sur. Jones Motor Shop. Quality service is our business. Jones Motor Shop.
Sa panagos na pag-asigura na ang pirang taon na tiwala sa kalidad kan mga materyales na mababakal sa Ngo & Sons, mantinido, pinagmarhay kan Ngo Brothers na dai na mag-arog sa iba na nagpapabakal nin mga substandard asing undersized na mga bakal arog kan kabilya, angle bars, asing iba pa tasigon sa mga eksperto. Nakabarato ka man sa presyo, alagad dai asertado ang siring na mga materyales asin posibleng magdulot pa nin diskwido. Kaya sa Ngo & Sons, ang materyales mo nakasunod sa Philippine standards. De kalidad, asin sigurado, nasa tamang standards. Asin safe, ang sa imong pamilya. Ngo & Sons, ang ngaran na matitiwalaan. Poon kadto, sagkod ngunyan.
Gusto bang maging milyonaryo? Magpadala ng pera at manalo sa M. Lulier Mega Milyonaryo. M. Lulier Mega Milyonaryo. Mula July 16 hanggang October 15, magpadala ng pera gamit ang ML Kwarta Padala Domestic Handout at may tsansa ka maging isa sa 3 masuswerteng monthly winners of 1 million pesos cash each sa M. Lulier Mega Milyonaryo. M. Lulier Mega Milyonaryo. See posters and flyers for more details. Per DTI Fair Trade Permit number FTEB 169907 series of 2023.
Be a global achievers with a world-class education and skills. Enroll at Sigara Technological Colleges at Highway 1, Francia, Iriga City. Sigara Technological Colleges offers the following DepEd programs: Senior High School, Grade 11 and 12, Academic Track, Accountancy, Business and Management, ABM Strand, General Academic Strand, GAS, Humanities and Social Science, HUM Strand, Technical, Vocational and Livelihood Track, Automotive Servicing NC1, Automotive Servicing NC2, Computer System Servicing NC2, Electronics Products Assembly and Servicing NC2, Electrical Installations and Maintenance NC2, Masonry NC2, and Tile Setting NC2. CHED programs: Bachelor of Engineering Technology, BAT, Major Automotive Technology, Electronics Technology, Electrical Technology, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, Major Automotive Technology, Electronics Technology, Electrical Technology, Food and Service Management, Computer Hardware Servicing, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, Major Home Economics, Industrial Arts, Information and Communications Technology, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. They also have TESDA registered programs: Automotive Servicing NC1, Automotive Servicing NC2, Computer System Servicing NC2, Electronics Product Assembly and Servicing NC2, Driving NC2, Heavy Equipments Operation NC2, Heavy Equipments Operation, Well Loader NC2. Sigara Technological Colleges also offers scholarship program: Sigara Marching Band Scholarship, Sigara Barangay Official Scholarship, cash discounts. They also accept scholarship grant from Tulong Dunong, CHED, Estufa Foster Parent Scholarship, OWA, Provincial Government, Congressional District, TESDA, TWSP, and TESDA, PESFA for freshman students. College admission requirements. Bring the original high school report card F138 or SF9, Certificate of Good Moral Character F137, High School Graduate or Senior High School Graduate, Certificate of Live Birth, NSO-PSA photocopy, Certificate of Honorable Dismissal if transferee, transcript of records if transferee, 3 pieces 1x1 picture, 2 pieces 2x2 picture, and 5 pieces passport size picture and medical exam report. For senior high school entrance requirements, SF9 report card or SF10, Form 137, Honorable Dismissal, PSA, NSO birth certificate, original, Certificate of Good Moral, and Certificate of Completion. So, enroll now. For more information, please see the register or call 299-2224 or 0921-845-9871 or 0917-8830-109 or visit us at www.facebook.com/Sigera GECS or www.facebook.com. The Sigera Technological Colleges enrollment is now going on. Classes starts for school year 2023-2024 is on September 4, 2023.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Para sa bado na ka-bloom sa hamot, prumara na ang Charm Fabric Conditioner.
Charm Fat-Con, bangong kumaga-bloom. Charm Fat-Con, gamit ay may bango ng salibong bulaklak.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, igwaning Stay Fresh Technology. Bado mo, ka-bloom sa hamot.
Charm Fat-Con, bangong kumaga-bloom. Charm Fat-Con, gamit ay may bango ng salibong bulaklak.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo.
Laban sa bakterya,
I-shield mo.
laban ng pati virus,
I-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Believe ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
sa sakit protektado,
I-shield mo.
pamilya protektado,
I-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo!
Smart to
Smart dishwashing paste ko.
Smart to
Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Pahit para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to.
Tanggaling-galing mo!
Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Always remember, sa paglinis, pakintabin ang sahig. Mrs. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Kitang na to the max.
Star Wax ang #1 floor wax. Ugwaning waterproof formula. Ulaan man ang tubig, balikin taban sa lug.
Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Kitang na to the max, max, max.
Star Wax Floor Wax. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
You need toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. Iguaning double whitening and papaya extract as in vitamin B3. Clinically proven man magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Gusto bang maging milyonaryo? Magpadala ng pera at manalo sa M. Lulier Mega Milyonaryo. M. Lulier Mega Milyonaryo. Mula July 16 hanggang October 15, magpadala ng pera gamit ang ML Kwarta Padala Domestic Sandout at may tsansa ka maging isa sa 3 masuswerteng monthly winners of 1 million pesos cash each sa M. Lulier Mega Milyonaryo. M. Lulier Mega Milyonaryo. See posters and flyers for more details. Per DTI Fair Trade Permit Number FTEB 169907 Series of 2023.
Saro sa mga kumonahelang kan mga senior citizen ngunyan, iyo ang katarata. Pagigwakan katarata, malabo ang paghiling mo, taigwang puting layer na nakatakop sa mata mo. Kaya lang, mahal magpa-opera ning katarata. An iBerry ang epektibong bulong sa katarata, asin iba pang kamatean sa panlalabo kan mga mata. An iBerry, igwang bilberry, asin ini gibo sa Amerika. Epektibo man an iBerry sa glaucoma, pterygium, astigmatism, pamumula, pagluluha, gatol, asin makulog ang mata dahil sa sobrang paggamit kan cellphone asin computer. An iBerry mababakal sa Mercury Drug, St. Joseph, Watson's, asin sa indong suking butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang iBerry ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Aram daw nindo kung taano importante ang kidney sa satuyang lawas. Ini ang nagsasara kan mga ati asin toksin sa satuyang dugo. Kung maraot ang satuyang kidney asin dai magfunksyonin tama, posible magkahelang kita asin magkaigwanin man lain-lain na kailangan. Arog kan panluluya, kulang sa turog, difisil na pag-ihi, gatok na kasukasuan, pagkaribong asin difisil na paghangos. Tanganing makalikay sa helang sa kidney, ang solusyon dyan, iyo an Kidney Care. Ang Kidney Care, produktong gibo pa sa Amerika, asin may sangkap na vitamins asin minerals na nagpapakusog kan sa tuyang kidney. Ang Kidney Care, katabang man sa padagos na sirkulasyon asin paglinig kan toxin sa lawas ta. Kulita mahal na marhay ang magpa-dialysis asin magpa-opera sa kidney stones, kaya likayan ang kidney stones, UTI, dialysis asin kidney failure. That's why you really care. Always take care of your kidney with Kidney Care. Ang Kidney Care mababakal sa Mercury Drug, Watson's, South Star Drug, Rose Pharmacy asin mga nanginyanot na drugstores nationwide.
Ang Kidney Care hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Problema ang sasakyan mo? Kulog tayo na, kulog bulsa pa! Pero don't worry amigo, sa Maximus Auto Care Center, ang auto mo ayos tulos. Ang Maximus Auto Care Center may computerized car diagnostics and scanning, mechanical services, body repair, electrical, battery charging, car aircon specialist. Asin nagaako man sinda nin preventive maintenance services para sa gabos na klase nin bihikulo, kabali and fire truck. I-contact lang ang Maximus Auto Care Center sa Nabwa, Balatan Road, Zone 1, Sitio Abaca, San Antonio, Ogbon, Nabwa, Camarines Sur sa 054-884-6509, 0915-096-1993 o sa 0960-563-9766. Email address maximusautocc@gmail.com. FB page Maximus Auto Care Center. Hanapon lang si Mr. Joseph Sim, Chief Mechanic, Maximus Auto Care Center. Maximus Auto Care Center open from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Maximus Auto Care Center is PhilJeps registered.
Sa pangaran kan RPN, DCKI, Radyo Ronda Iriga, kami nagpapasalamat sa minasunod na sponsors kan Peña Francia Coverage 2023, Sayon Castiel Hotel and Reception Hall, Masuso, San Isidro, Iriga City, owned by City Councilor Melnan Daday Robles Moralio, Segara Technological Colleges, Francia, Iriga City, Mr. Julio Victor Marlo Segara School President, Multibrand Distributors, San Roque, Iriga City, care of Richard Bunacua, Mamanang's Halo Halo, San Isidro, Iriga City, Santa Elena, Baras, Nabua, Camarines Sur, and Naga City, owned and managed by Mrs. Lorna Dasa, Hoop Life Sports Apparel, Masuso, San Isidro, Iriga City, care of Mr. Anjo and Cindy Robles, Moralio Motor Parts and Accessories, San Miguel, Iriga City, care of Engineer Lawrence Moralio, Otex Tailoring, Market Site, San Francisco, Iriga City, owned and managed by Mr. and Mrs. Oscar Lozano, Egay Catering Service, Gabas, San Nicolas, Iriga City, care of Miss Egay Singh, Halo Mango, Railside, San Miguel, Iriga City, care of Miss Nikki Charmaine Bronjal Alfilor, Rockstone General Merchandise and Saint Maria Cleofe Construction, San Nicolas, Iriga City, Kim Car Wash and Auto Spa, Detailing, Tint, Installation, and Car Wash Services, Iriga, Nabua Road, National Highway, Francia, Iriga City, owned and managed by Kim Michael Losenia, Secret Blend Salon and Ayurveda Spa, second floor, SLT Building, San Roque, Iriga City, Iriga Shell House, AMC Calieja Upholstery Supply and Repair Shop, San Miguel, Iriga City, care of Engineer Antonio Maria Calieja, Kambingan sa Dalandalan, Santa Elena Baras, Gorong-Gorong Nabua and Batu, Camarines Sur, MDH Construction Supply, Santo Domingo Nabua, Camarines Sur, Fancy Emporium and Texway, San Roque, Iriga City, Masuso Spring Resort, Pool number 2, owned and managed by Boboy and Milet Robles Moralio, Iriga Joe Hardware and Auto Supply, San Miguel, Iriga City, care of Mr. Michael Ngo, Police Lieutenant Colonel Alejandro Monghe II and Mrs. Rosabina Monghe of A. Monghe Dental Clinic, Zone 4, Oliva Subdivision, Santo Domingo, Iriga City, Engineer Roger Sorilla Dasa, Licensed Civil Engineer, Contractor, Real Estate Broker, Rebap, Naga City, Vice President for MIS DHSUD Registered, Punong Barangay Nita Agnas, Ulos Fortuna, Barangay San Jose, Nabua, Camarines Sur, Mr. and Mrs. Rafael Flotildes and family, Villa San Antonio Subdivision, San Roque, Iriga City, Mrs. Christy Albia and family, Bukaw, San Nicolas, Iriga City, Punong Barangay Perla Braga, family and council, Barangay Pagatpatan, Batu, Camarines Sur, MBA Tarpaulin Printing Services, open to serve you and we print while you wait, located at Shima Building, Alpilor Street, San Roque, Iriga City, Indian Sikh Community, Iriga City, care of Pashi Singh, Vitmate, Leafy Green, Agrichem Products, Foliar, Humic Acid, Wrap Up, AK-47, Gulaya, Harabas, Globono, Rivadon, Boca, distributed by Dimple Seeds, Anayan Pili, Camarines Sur, Fruits, Kaka Fruit Shake, Iriga, located at LCC Mall Lobby and Market Site, San Francisco, Iriga City, care of Mrs. Sita Valle and Mr. Jose M. Altesa, Basca President of San Nicolas, Iriga City. Salamat po sa Indo Gabos. Viva El Divino Rostro, Viva la Virgen.
Ang lemongrass na napatunayang nakakababa ng blood pressure, luyang dilaw na nakakaalis ng insomnia at bad cholesterol, ampalaya na mabisa sa diabetes at manunggay na puno ng mga bitamina at mineral. Lahat ng ito at iba pang natural antioxidants pinagsama sa Herbalaya Food Supplement. Alagaan at proteksyonan ng katawan. Mag-Herbalaya Food Supplement araw-araw. Herbalaya Food Supplement, ang 5-in-1 immunity booster. Herbalaya, mabibili sa inyong mga suking butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang produktong ito ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Sama-sama tayo, mag-aliwings na dito. Kapamilya man o kapuso yan, kapatid at kaibigan. Sa Inversa kay panalo, sa Talakhakan at kwentuhan ng maghahanap hapunan. Kompleto na ang araw, di ka mapapabayaan. A tasty food is what you deserve. Indoy.
This time check is brought to you by Olympio C. Nivalio Custom Brokerage OPC Unit 206-C Regina Building 410 Escolta, Manila. Service offered: Customs Brokerage, Tariff Consultancy, Tracking, Domestic and International Freight Forwarder, Non-Vessel Operating Common Carry.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Education is your passport to the future. Equip yourself with skills and quality education offered by Mother Teresa Colegio de Iriga. They offer the following courses for academic strength: accountancy, business and management, ABM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics, STEM, humanities and social sciences, UNS, and general academic strength. They also offer technical, vocational and livelihood, information and communications technology, ICT, with specialization in computer system servicing, home economics, with specializations in bartending, food and beverage services, tourism promotion services, and local tour guiding, arts and design, with specializations in performing arts, music and dance, visual arts, and media arts. At ang pinakamaganda, pinakamagaan, no tuition fee. Libre ang books and modules, school uniform, PE shirt, ID and ID lanes. Kaya ano pa? Enroll na sa Mother Teresa Colegio de Iriga, San Roque, Iriga City. Sa likod lang ng Iriga City Terminal. Sa mga taga-Balatan, meron din Mother Teresa Colegio de Balatan, Zone 5, Duran, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Sa mga taga-Bula, nandyan din ang Mother Teresa Colegio de Bula sa Salvacion, Bula, Camarines Sur. Inquire and enroll now. Visit our webpage, motherteresacolegio.edu.ph, or our Facebook page at MTC Iriga, o di kaya ay tumawag sa 054-884-7876. Cellphone number 0946-340-3540. Mother Teresa Colegio de Iriga. Be mathematicians. Be champions.
DCKI Weather Update.
Happy Thursday po sa ating lahat. Ako si Benison Estareja. Asahan na po ang mga pag-ulan sa malaking bahagi ng Visayas and Mindanao. Dito po sa ngayong araw dahil po yan sa habagat or sa southwest monsoon, lalo na po sa western sections. At asahan naman ang mainit at malinsangang panahon lalo na dito sa may northern and central Luzon. Samantala, itong si severe tropical storm with international name na land ay nasa labas pa rin ng ating Philippine Area of Responsibility. Nasa higit 2,300 kilometers po ito east-northeast of extreme northern Luzon. So ibig sabihin po malayo sa ating kalupaan, walang direktang epekto at wala ring inaasahang pag-enhance ng habagat. Yung ating nararanasan po na habagat sa ngayon ay hindi naman po palalakasin nitong si severe tropical storm land. Ngayong araw po, asahan ng maulap na kalangitan na sasamahan ng kalat-kalat na ulan and thunderstorms itong malaking bahagi ng Mimaropa, Occidental Mindoro, and northern portion of Palawan. Epekto po yan ng southwest monsoon or habagat. So mag-ingat sa mga posibleng pagbaha or pagguho ng lupa. In other areas of Mimaropa, ganyan din po ang Bicol region, bahagyang maulap hanggang maulap ang kalangitan at sasamahan na rin ng mataas na tsansa ng mga pag-ulan as early as tanghali at posibleng magpatuloy pagsapit ng gabi. Sa ibang bahagi po ng Luzon, kabilang na dyan ng Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Central Luzon at malaking bahagi po ng Northern Luzon, bahagyang maulap at minsang maaraw naman ang kalangitan. But then nagkakaroon din po ng mga localized thunderstorms, lalo na po sa hapon hanggang sa gabi, over here in Cagayan Valley at sa may eastern coast or sa may eastern portion of Cordillera region. Samantala, doon naman sa western part ng mga kabundukan, kabilang na dyan ng Zambales, itong western Benguet, itong western Mountain Province at dito po sa malaking bahagi po ng Abra, asahan pa rin ang makulimlim na panahon na sinasamahan din ng mga pag-uulan, dulot po yan ng habagat or southwest monsoon. For Metro Manila ngayong araw po, mainit at malinsangang panahon ang mararanasan between 28 to 33 degrees Celsius, but the heat index posible pa rin umabot to almost 40 degrees Celsius. So sa mga lalabas po ng bahay, magdala ng pananggalang sa init, gaya ng payong or sombrero. Sa ating mga kababayan po for Visayas, pinaka-apektado ng habagat ang western portion. So asahan po ang maulap na kalangitan na sasamahan ng kalat-kalat ng mga pag-ulan. At meron din mga thunderstorms, so mag-ingat din sa mga flash floods or sa landslides. Dito naman po sa natitirang bahagi ng Visayas, umaga pa lamang may tsansa na ng pag-ulan over the eastern section of Visayas at malaking bahagi ng Central Visayas. Meron din mga kalat-kalat na ulan and thunderstorms lalo na sa hapon at gabi. Epekto po ito ng southwest monsoon. For Metro Cebu, mainit din po kagaya sa Metro Manila, between 28 to 34 degrees Celsius. Sa ating mga kababayan sa Mindanao, pinakang maulan naman po dito sa may Zamboanga Peninsula, malaking bahagi ng Bangsamoro Region, Socsabgen, at probinsya ng Lanao del Norte dahil po yan sa habagat. Meron tayong mga light to moderate with at times heavy rains. So mag-antabay po sa mga ipapalabas na thunderstorm and rainfall advisories ng Pag-asa. In other areas of Mindanao, bahagyang maulap hanggang sa nagiging maulap ang kalangitan most of the day in other areas of northern Mindanao, Caraga, and Davao Region. So mas mataas ang tsansa ng mga pag-ulan over Caraga Region ngayong umaga pa lamang. Then pagsapit ng hapon at gabi, mataas din ang tsansa ng mga pag-ulan sa ilan pang bahagi ng Caraga Region, hilagang bahagi ng Davao Region at dito rin po sa may eastern side of Bukidnon and Misamis Oriental. Ngayong araw wala na po tayong gale warning or matataas sa mga pag-alaw dun sa may extreme northern Luzon dahil sa bahagyang paghina pa rin po ng southwest monsoon. Pero asahan po natin ngayong araw, minsang maalo ng karagatan dito sa may Luzon, habang banayad hanggang katamtaman naman over Visayas and Mindanao. At sa mga susunod na araw, wala rin po tayong inaasahang gale warning hanggang sa weekend po. No? Pero makakaranas pa rin po ng maalo na karagatan itong malaking bahagi po ng Luzon at ang eastern side or eastern coast of Visayas and Mindanao. For the next 3 days, iiral pa rin po ang habagat or southwest monsoon. So magiging maulap pa rin in many areas of Visayas and Mindanao, lalo na sa may western sections, itong western Visayas and Zamboanga Peninsula hanggang sa weekend po yan. Habang sa malaking bahagi ng Luzon, patuloy pa rin ang mainit at malinsangang panahon, maliban na lamang dun sa mga western side ng mga kabundukan. So for Metro Manila, asahan po natin, for the next 3 days, mainit na panahon ang mararanasan, between 27 to 33 degrees Celsius, but the heat index posible pa rin umabot between 38 to 40 degrees Celsius. May mga tsansa po ng mga pag-ulan bukas, araw ng Friday, lalo na po sa tanghali at hapon. Then pagsapit ng Sabado at Linggo, bahagyang maulap at minsang maaraw ang kalangitan, nasasamahan din ng mga pulupulong pag-ulan umaga pa lamang. Sa ating mga kababayan at mamamasyal po over Baguio City, kung nagkaroon tayo ng mga pag-ulan, ditong nagdaang mga linggo po, no, for the past 3 weeks, nagkaroon tayo ng halos makulimlim na panahon. So for the next 3 days, mag-i-improve ang panahon, lalo na sa weekend. Pero asahan pa rin po at some point yung mga pag-ulan, knowing na umiiral pa rin po ang southwest monsoon. Sa ating mga kababayan for Bicol Region, for the next 3 days, asahan ang bahagyang maulap hanggang maulap na kalangitan at mas mababang tsansa ng mga pag-ulan pagsapit po ng Sabado at Linggo. So bukas, may mga tsansa ng mga pag-ulan sa tanghali at sa hapon, magdala po ng payong. Sa atong mga kiksaunan din ha over Metro Cebu, for the next 3 days, asahan din ang mainit at malinsangang panahon, pinakamababa lamang yung 27 degrees Celsius at mataas ang 34 degrees na air temperature and yung heat index posible yung umabot sa almost 40 degrees Celsius. So magdala ng pananggalang sa init gaya ng sombrero or payong, may tsansa ng mga pulupulong ulan lalo na sa hapon. Panghuli sa atong mga kaigsunan din na over Metro Davao, for the next 3 days, asahan din po ang mainit na panahon sa tanghali between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Posible umakyat sa 35 degrees Celsius yung ating air temperature. Meron din tayong mga pulupulong ulan sa hapon hanggang sa gabi. Si Haring Araw ay sisikat 5:41 ng umaga at lulubog 6:22 ng gabi. Yan muna ang latest mula dito sa weather forecasting ng Pag-asa. Ako po muli si Benison Estareja na nagsasabing sa anumang panahon, Pag-asa ang magandang solusyon.
DZKI Weather Update. Siringman, buot nyamong pasalamatan ang mga major sponsors. Campenya Francia Celebration 2023, Olympio C, Nivalio Custom Broker, Unit 206-C, Regina Building 410, Escolta Manila, Miss Betsy O. Odavar, Santa Elena Baras Nabua, Camarines Sur, Mayor Jeffrey S. Besenio, Baaw Camarines Sur, Uyaman ang mga minor sponsors. Kanamo Local Food and Beverage House, San Isidro, Iriga City, Engineer Jonel Feliciano Jr. and family, Springfield Subdivision, San Roque, Iriga City. Engineer Ariel O. Soriano, San Miguel, Iriga City. A.T. Reyes Salon, San Roque, Iriga City. Father Dan Aguilar, Paris First, Our Lady of Fatima, San Isidro, Iriga City. Dr. Lisette Tulete Chuan and Mrs. Perlita Tulete Chuan, Topasugod, Nabwa, Camarines Sur, Lucky Best Enterprises. Owned and managed by Jenny O.K., Iriga City. Honorable Nestor Andaliz and family, Barangay Kagawad, San Agustin, Iriga City. Architect Lito Florese and family, San Antonio Ogbon, Nabwa, Camarines Sur. Botor Store, owned and managed by Mr. and Mrs. Henry Botor, San Francisco, Iriga City. Iriga Metal Forming Incorporated, Highway 1, San Jose, Iriga City. Honorable Eton Paro Balyeber, Councilor, Bula, Camarines Sur, and Dingdong Antioquia, Balyeber, Barangay Salvacion, Bula, Camarines Sur. Honorable Ray P. Lacoste and family, Municipal Mayor, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Barangay Kagawad, Efren A. Martinez and family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Christine O. Martinez and family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Past Faithful Navigator, care of George Lapat, Metrocore Subdivision, Las Piñas City. Past District Deputy Eli Pasis, number 28, Mercury Atlas, Monwalk, Las Piñas City. Ang mga minasunod na sponsor, nagpapaabot man nin pasasalamat sa selebrasyon kan kafiestahan ina, patron kan kabikolan. Uya, ang samoy mga sponsors. Mrs. Dorotea Ibarreta Amance, Chief Political Affairs, House of Representative, Quezon City. Mama's Cafeteria, owned and managed by Mr. Warren and Don Nueva, Highway 1, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Nelita Marmol Gregorio and family, Carcidona Street, San Isidro, Iriga City. Honorable Gigi Vargas, City Councilor, Iriga City. Honorable Jose Bagayawa, Punong Barangay, Francia, Iriga City. Oralio's Funeral Homes, care of Jose Manrique, Oralio and family, proprietor, San Isidro, Iriga City. Maria Leonora Casiao, Peria Bras, Springfield, San Miguel, Iriga City. Salcedo Gravel and Sand, care of Cesar Atas, Salcedo, San Vicente Sur, Iriga City. Fish Vendors and Buracan Sariles, Jane Vera and family, proprietor, manager, San Francisco, Iriga City. Grace Ibariento Sanao, Corporate Executive Officer 2, SSS Iriga City Branch, Iriga City. Engineer Hilario Gorgonya, Acting Head, Rinconada Integrated Irrigated System, NIA, Santa Elena, Iriga City. Honorable Ben Blanquera, Municipal Councilor Baao, Camarines Sur. Honorable Cherry Sapugay, Municipal Councilor Baao, Camarines Sur. Barangay Kagawad, Maricris Nene Ablan, San Jose, Baao, Camarines Sur. Jerry Navarez, Chief Land Transportation Office, Ligao City, Albay. Knocking Pool Water Refilling Station in front of San Isidro Elementary School, Iriga City. Owned and managed by Annie and Rolly Bagaporo. Sa Saindo Pogabos, Diyos Mabalos. Viva la Virgen! Viva el Divino Rostro!
RPN Radio Philippines Network, Radyo Ronda, DZKI Iriga, member kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Kayo nakikinig sa Radyo